welcome to a brand new day. Butterflies dance, wings so bright, flowers wake up in the light. Bees are buzzing, trees sway too, morning sparkles fresh and new. Clap your hands and skip along, the sunshine sings a happy song. Rise and shine, the sunbeams say, come outside, it's time to play. Children laughing in the park, kites soar high from dawn till dark. Swings go flying, up they glide, joy and sunshine side by side. Little streams all shimmer gold, stories in the light unfold. Every leaf and blade of grass glitters when the sun rays pass. Count the colors in the sky, clouds drift slowly, birds fly by. Red and yellow, orange too, blue so endless shining through. Even when the noon feels hot, find a shady, breezy spot. Sip some water, smile so wide, feel the sunshine deep inside. As the day begins to rest, sunset shows its glowing best. Pink and purple, golden flame, every evening never same. So lift your face, don't be shy, thank the sun up in the sky. With its warmth our hearts will sing, sunshine makes joy bloom.